In a tiny house, the floor is for living and the walls are for storage. By thinking vertically, we keep the floor plan open and airy, which is essential for mental clarity in small spaces. Custom shelving and hanging systems allow you to display your life's treasures without encroaching on your physical movement, making the home feel expansive and organized.